everyone, welcome to my channel Utsav and Kala, and this is your crafty host Priyanka. So I know you guys haven't seen my face for the longest time. I know I have just been doing videos. I haven't been showing my face. You have just seen my hands, nothing else. But here I am after a long time showing my face on the video or on the camera. Really excited. It's a different experience after a long time to just come up and show the face on the camera. So really happy. Today I have an exciting news for you guys. I have started my own diamond paint. I've started selling my own diamond painting kits on my Etsy store, and I am really excited, and I wanted to share this with you guys. I only have currently 9 designs in store, but depending on how good or bad the response is, I will definitely be adding more designs to the store and variety of sizes. Currently the only size I carry is 40 centimeters by 30 centimeters. That is the size for all the 9 designs. I don't have different sizes because I was experimenting, especially with the seller, because when I wanted to know if the quality of the product that I was purchasing was good. It was not something that I wouldn't want to be sent to me, because I don't want any of you out there purchasing the product getting bad quality products. So I wanted to try out. I got only 9 designs, really less quantity items for now, because I wanted to make sure that the quality of the product was 100%, not 500 but 100% at least. So definitely I started working on one of the kits before I posted anything on my Etsy store, and I can guarantee that the quality of the product that I received is super. I haven't done the whole painting yet, but I did really start the painting, and I will be showing that painting on camera today, as after I show you all the designs that I'm carrying right now. So saying that, let's move on and see what designs I have. And if you can't see the designs, I really apologize, because I'm going to show you that little label on the box. I'm not going to open the box, each and every box, because you guys know that my experience of repacking the box is really bad. So I'm not going to do that, because I want to I want to sell the product, so I don't want to mess up the product in there. So I'm just going to show that picture, and if you can't see it, don't worry about it. At the end of the video I will have all the pictures to all the designs that I have on my Etsy store. So let's begin with the first one. The first one I have is the classic rooster, and I hope the camera is catching the rooster. And it's the colorful rooster. I have seen a lot of people do this diamond painting kit, and they really enjoy it, and I am looking forward myself to be doing this painting. So this is the classic colorful rooster. The second one that I have, and this is my most favorite one, and that is what I'm currently working on, is white unicorns. And at first I did not know they were unicorns. I thought they were horses. But as in when I started doing the painting, I paid more attention to the paint design rather than just looking at the horse. I came to realize that those are white unicorn, and this one is my most favorite one. The third one I have is the Eiffel Tower. And this one, I have this kit in DIY paint by numbers kit. So I'm not sure if I'm really going to do the diamond painting for this kit. I might, I'm not sure, but definitely this one is in store for you guys to check out. The next one is the tropical birds. If you can see right here, these tropical birds look like the one that I have drawn myself, and then I was doing diamond painting on it. And if you haven't seen that video, I will leave a link for you guys to watch in the description for you guys to watch that video. But this tropical birds look similar to them, and I really like the colorful birds. So I got this painting. The next one is this beautiful flowers. I really don't know the name of the flowers, so I just on my Etsy store they're just called beautiful flowers, and they're 3 different colors. I'm really looking forward to making one of this because it has a lot of white background, but I feel that would still be so beautiful. It's just so beautiful. And this one I've already this one is a lot this one is my husband's favorite actually, because he's African. Okay, so I think she's tilted, I'm not sure. Yeah, she's tilted, but this one is African queen or African princess or African lady, whatever you want to call her, and she's really gorgeous and beautiful. I just love her. And then the next one is the whimsical cats. Oh my god, I love these cats. They are so cute and they are perfect for the cat lovers. And the sunrise eagle. This one, I really like the sunrise part of this. Eagle shows how much of strength and strength you have. Like, it's just power. Eagle is the symbol. It symbolizes me as power because it's the most magnificent bird ever. I just love it. And then the last but not the least is the colorful library. And this one is magical. That's the word. This is a magical painting. It has a lot of beautiful colors and it's really magical. It always makes me feel like I am in you know, really a fantasy movie. That's what I'm watching, a fantasy movie, and I'm into it. You know, that's what this painting gives the impression in my head. So that's about it, guys. Those are the 9 paintings. They are all full drill. None of them are partial. All of them are square drill paintings. So I don't have any round drills as of now. Like I mentioned, I was checking out the seller first to know that if their product quality was really good, or is it something up to my standards or not. So if I don't get something that is complete kit, or I don't get what I asked for, I'll be upset. And you guys know I was upset before a couple of times in last few weeks with all the China mail that I have been getting. So I wanted to make sure that what I am getting, I am going to sell is good before I put it out. So I didn't want to buy too much before knowing how good the quality is. So talking about quality, let's go and look at the painting that I started working on. And this is the the white unicorn, if you can see. And I've already done this much here. Haven't gone that far because you guys know it's hard for me with my baby to work on diamond paintings. He is really intrigued in what I'm doing all the time. So it's a slow process, but this is what I've done in a day. So it's a good progress, not a really bad one. And definitely this is a 30 by 40 centimeter kit, like you can see right here. So it's a 30 by 40 centimeter kit. It has a list on the side and it gives you the DMC code. It doesn't give you how many numbers of colors it has, but I think this one was 30. 30 colors. And then it comes with this basic toolkit and then the drills. I have already packed away the drills in my storage bin, so I haven't brought it out for this video today, but I was really excited for you guys to see that I have started this diamond painting kits, selling diamond painting kits, and I will leave the link to my Etsy channel in the description for you guys to go check it out if you guys are interested. And also, if you do make a purchase, I will have a coupon code in the description for you guys to use, and you'll get 20% off your entire purchase on diamond paintings. So I think it also goes, the coupon code goes on for, I think it is only diamond painting, but I'll make sure and I'll leave the link, I'll leave the coupon code in the description below for you guys too. And also don't forget guys, the 500 subscriber giveaway is still going on. I have 481 subscribers as of today, and I need 19 more for the for me to do the giveaway, and I'm really excited. If you haven't done so already and you're watching this video, please hit that subscribe button and go to my 500 subscriber video. I will have that link in the description for you guys, and please comment there and be a subscriber to my channel, and you will enter into the drawing for the 500 subscriber giveaway, and one lucky winner will win the diamond painting kit. So that's about it guys. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video with all your diamond painting lover, family and friends, and also leave me a comments guys. Tell me what kind of diamond paintings you like. Maybe I can expand my inventory on your choices and on your the way you or how you want it. Just let me know in the comments, and I'll really greatly appreciate. Like always, you guys post amazing comments, and I really greatly appreciate you all. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye.